Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a everyday makeup routine, smoky cat eye. Let's get into it. First, what we're going to do is get this lime pump, the S2 Cucumber Soothing. So you want to get that and just get this nice cotton ball. Yep. And you want to push down on the pump 3 times. Next, just rub it all over your face. Start with the forehead, move your hair, go around to the bottom of the eye, bottom of the eyeballs to the chin. Oh. Next, we have baby skin. All right. So what you're going to want to do with this is put it on just your fingertip. Ooh. Yep. And then just rub it around your face. Just rub it around the sides and back, bottom of your face to the chin. All right, now we got clean motto. Clean and so what you're gonna interlock them. Interlock. Both of them together. So now you just want to make dots, just around your chin and your cheeks and your forehead. Is this highlighter? Is that what this is? You just want to rub it in. And then you take this egg and squish it. And then take your egg and just do nice pats all around where you... Oh. Nice pats all around where you just applied. Hair out of your mouth. Just pat it in. Now you want to take... It wouldn't focus. Now you want to take that, get it on a stick, and do under your eyes. Right under the eyes, right under the eye bags. And then just spread it all around. Get the egg back out, the hard side. Ooh. And just do more dots on it. Pat it again. So, take more dots, put it on your chin, then down the bridge of your nose. Then up in between the eyebrows. Just go into upward motion, flick it up like that. Now you want to go on the eyelids, right above the eyes. Some more lines. And then take your egg back out and keep tapping it. Make sure to move your jaw left and right like that, and scrunch your, and cry. Now you want to do more dots, and you're good for now. That's good. All right, next step, take out the fit. Take out the fit to get a new egg. Put some fit on it. And now take the fit, go right over the eyes where you just went again. And just keep tapping it and patting it. Make sure you clean it off. Is there anything debris on it? Just blow it off. Just keep going wherever you just went under the eyes, the nose, in between the eyebrows and the chin. Now take a soft end brush and whisk it. Just wipe it all off. Just wipe everything off. And now take NYX. Easy matte, but not flat. Is that what it said? And take your brush back. Did you put it on that? Put the NYX on it and go around it again. Under the chin. Now you want to take Glossier. Busy Brow? Is that what it said? Oh. Now you want to do this. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. So start from the ends, closest to your eyes, and go up. I'm going out of breath. How long is this? So you see, this is what it looks like. And then you want to go around the top end of your eyebrows and just kind of do an outline. And then same with the other. Just brush it out, all the way to the outsides. Now you want to get this coin. And take this small soft brush. Now we're going to do the eyelids. So just rub it all over the eyelids. Rub it all over the eyelids. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now you want to take this nice pinkish color. This is on my palette. And around the upper part of the eyelid, you want to just rub it all in. Make sure you open up your eyebrows or lift your eyebrows when you do this. Now you want to take this dark one. It's like maroon. Get a flat or pointy brush. And then do the same exact thing you just did. Oh, and now brown. Now get this brown stuff and do the same thing once again. It's just the same thing over and over again with different colors. Oh. Looks like a bruise. Is this supposed to look like that? Look, it got bruised. Yeesh. So this is what it looks like so far. Let's get a peek. Oh, not good. All right, now take this shiny color and put on your finger and then just put it right on the eyelid. And now take this new color from my palette. And what you're going to want to do is put it on this brush and go right under the eyeballs. Just a nice thin line. Now take this metallic color and do the same thing, but on the inside of your eyes this time. Just a nice thin line right under the eyes. Nothing too much. Nice and simple. Nice, easy, clean. Oh, I missed that. What was that? All right. Now what you're going to want to do is, we're doing eyelashes now. So just put the brush on your eyelash and just close your eyes and it'll do the work for you. All right. Now get this big fat brush and go right along your cheekbone. Get the camera focus. Go right along the cheekbone. Just up and down, up and down. Oh, give it a second. All right. Oh, take pink. And then what you're going to want to do with that is go above the line you just put on your cheekbone. Contour. We're contouring now. Get the highlight popping. Get the same color. And this time with a smaller brush, just go right along where you just went. We just want to make them cheekbones pop. Okay. Not bad. Okay, ladies, now what we want to do is go above the eye bone. Just keep going up down the cheekbone. And then just move your finger on it. Just tap it a little bit, rub it out. Same thing on the other side. How do I look? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one. And share this video if you like it. Stay tuned for my next makeup tutorial. Oh. And thumbs up. Oh my God. Nice seeing you. Here it is close up. Bruised eye, good cheeks.